Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Once you're in, go straight to the menu and into Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, look for Security, Privacy, or App Lock. The exact label varies by device. Tap the App Lock option to begin. You're doing this so only your device unlock method protects the app, keeping messages and feed private. Make sure device biometrics or a screen lock is already active, because Facebook will require that method to secure the app. Once you open App Lock, enable the feature and select whether you want biometric unlock, passcode, or both. Choose an auto lock interval. Immediate is most secure, but 1 to 10 minutes is convenient. Facebook may request permission to use biometrics or the device key store. Allow those prompts so the lock works reliably. After enabling, test by exiting the app and reopening it. You should see the biometric or passcode prompt. If you have multiple accounts, confirm which account's lock you configured. Finish by testing the lock. Close Facebook, reopen, and confirm the biometric or passcode prompt appears. If everything locks as expected, adjust auto lock timing and settings to balance security and convenience. If you switch or remove device biometrics later, make sure to update Facebook's lock method. Otherwise, you could be locked out. Troubleshooting tip: if the lock doesn't activate, update the app, clear its cache, and check app permissions. As a last resort, reinstall the app and re-enable App Lock to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.